Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy pressure cooker chicken cacciatore, and I'll be using my Ninja Foodi. First, we're going to start off by seasoning the chicken. I have skin on bone-in thighs and some drums. Now here you see me placing kosher salt under the skin, and on the back side of the chicken I'm seasoning it with more kosher salt, some black pepper, some granulated onion, followed by some Italian seasoning, and then some roasted garlic seasoning, followed by some thyme. And then here you see me pressing the seasonings into the chicken. Now I'm turning over the chicken and I'm seasoning it with some rosemary infused sea salt made by Saltopia. And I'm just going to sprinkle that all over the top, and then I'm going to follow up with the seasonings that I used on the other side. Granulated onion, roasted garlic, Italian seasoning, thyme, and black pepper. In my preheated insert, I am spraying in some olive oil, and I'm going to brown the chicken on both sides. I use the saute high setting. You're going to want to work in batches so you don't overcrowd the insert. While the chicken was browning, I sliced up some onion, bell pepper, mushrooms, and garlic. Once the chicken has had a chance to brown on both sides, it's time to transfer the chicken to a dish or a plate, and then you're going to saute your veggies. Now I'm going to season the veggies with some rosemary, sea salt, Italian seasoning, roasted garlic seasoning, some red pepper flakes, and some black pepper. Once the veggies have had a chance to cook down a little bit, I'm adding in the garlic. Now it's time to add in some olives and 1 can of chicken broth. Next, it's time to return the chicken to the insert, and once all of the chicken has been added, I'm going to pour in 1 can of stewed tomatoes, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and then I'm going to season that up with some of the rosemary salt, Italian seasoning, and then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Now it's time to close up the pressure cooker. Well, wait a minute, I forgot something. I'm going to add in 2 bay leaves. Now it's time to close up the pressure cooker, set it to seal. I'm going to cook on high pressure for 15 minutes, followed by a quick release. This is what your chicken cacciatore will look like when it's done cooking. Go ahead and give it a nice stir to incorporate those tomatoes. And boy, was this flavorful. Oh my goodness, it was so good. Look at it. Look at that color. I served this over some fettuccine, but those juices were so good. I wish I had made a bowl of hot rice to eat with it. Oh my goodness. So anyways, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out. And if you're here and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that button, tap that bell so you know when I upload again. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.